What's better than a powerful, cordless grease gun? A powerful, cordless grease gun toolkit, of course. This Milwaukee tool set features an M18 grease gun with 10,000 psi maximum operating pressure. The tool also has a preset grease counter to help you dispense the right amount of lubricant. Its onboard LED light illuminates dark workspaces, and its lock-on/lock-off trigger and plunger rod gauge how much grease is in the barrel. This toolkit comes with an M18 battery pack, a battery charger, and more. This grease gun kit is perfect for professional mechanics and serious do-it-yourselfers. We have the best price on this grease gun kit. Shop JP Tools and save.